Recently, we have finished the first phase of our industrial workshop on hydrogen energy and fuel cell technology and PEM electrolysis. The people from the various industrial sectors have participated, including the students from various colleges and universities. They get benefited from this workshop, and really they learned a lot from this workshop. This workshop started with 1 hour theory session. This theory session covers the basics and fundamentals for the fuel cells and electrolysis and hydrogen energy technology. So we discussed the various hydrogen energy data and hydrogen data. And we discussed many things about the thermodynamics of the fuel cell and various thermodynamic data. Now, after this theory session, participants are taken into the fuel cell operation. And how to find the open cell voltage and how to take the performance of the fuel cell, what is an operational voltage of the single fuel cell, and other various parameters are discussed in this phase. And the next, the participants are sent to the fuel cell components and the various components involved in the PEM electrolyzer. We have taken the participant to show the various components involved in the MEA. I gave some protection coating. So it will be more. Next, the students are taken into the single fuel cell assembly, where we have given a single cell fuel cell assembly for each and every participants involved in the workshop, and we attended an individual attention to assemble a single fuel cell on their own. And each and every participant have assembled a single fuel cell and also dismantled the single fuel cell, and they assembled a single fuel cell and tested the fuel cell, and they gained a confidence in assembling a new fuel cell on their own. And during the assembly of the single fuel cell, they faced some many problems, and we solved all their problems. We gained their confidence in assembling a new fuel cell. Really they enjoyed it, and all the participants have did it very correctly. Almost all the participants are given a hands-on training. What she said is correct. Oxygen is always positive, hydrogen is always negative. So in the other oxygen set, it is empty tank, nothing has spread, only empty. After collection of the gases, it will be coming. So finally, we have taken the participant to see the hydrogen storage on the metal hydrate system. We have a small commercial metal hydrate system, and we have demonstrated this hydrogen storage from our external cylinder of 150 bar cylinder, and we have demonstrated the hydrogen storage, and many research scholars have participated, and we guided for their research projects in different aspects, and also many students wants to buy different components and other instruments and single cells, and we guided them accordingly. And some engineers from various industries came and they participated in this workshop, and they are very interactive, and they gathered the information for their project, and they are going to write a new proposal for their company. Really, I welcome it. And also our technical experts and scientists are interacted with the participants, and they solved many of their questions, and really it's a great session and it's a great day for all of us. Dear viewers, you can also watch our participants' feedback attached in this video, and you can really get the information and what they felt in the workshop.
So hello everyone. Today we started the workshop around 9:30, and it's still going until 3:45. As I'm amateur in the field of fuel cells, I personally felt it very engaging, and thank you to Dr. Aristotle with this immense experience in the field of fuel cells. If you are amateur in fuel cells and if you want to know about a lot, I would also suggest you to attend this workshop. It was a great experience. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so I would like to start with thanking Dr. Arastal and also Dr. Mani for the wonderful workshop they have conducted throughout the day. It's a very engaging activity from the morning 9 o'clock onwards till we are at 3:45. So he was able to demonstrate the complete fuel cell stacks, the operation of fuel cell stacks, the PEM stack, and also he was the presentation which was presented in the first 2 hours was really wonderful. We really enjoyed and good number of informations we have received it. And also I like to see the good number of people are participated here. So during my research age, so it means it took 6 years to test the fuel cell, and happy to see the people who are doing research here able to assemble fuel cell and get a hands-on experience. And also I would like to wish everyone who are doing a research to complete the doctorate at the earliest. Thank you.
It's a different thing altogether for me. It's a different learning experience again to be there. Like for me, from a marine field, directly the application is very useful. We have to explore the possibilities. Like so, it is like I'm an amateur in front of all these people, but I enjoy the day very thoroughly. Looking into all the aspects, I'm really very thankful and grateful to Dr. Aristotle Ganeshan. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, so I came to Chennai first time. So sir has helped me to come to Chennai also. And then I am only one who doesn't know Tamil here, but he communicated in English so that I can also understand. And one more thing is I am in the starting of my PhD and I am planning to work on electrolyzer, and he made me confirm that I should work on electrolyzer after this workshop. So I am really very happy with this workshop.
Good evening all, myself Ragasudha. I attended one day industrial workshop in Artel Innovations. Like Aristotle sir has taught from the scratch to the knowledge what we have to gain, like came as a fuel cell, single cell fuel cell knowledge, and going out as a stack fuel cell knowledge. Like we gained a lot from this workshop. Like first he started with the theory session. From that itself we gained a little knowledge. Later on he demonstrated. We gained up to 75% of the knowledge. Then we ourselves done it, hands-on training also done. We gained up to a lot knowledge with this. Thank you so much for arranging the workshop. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
The session ends with the Thanksgiving and the certificate distribution, and it is a great event for us and also the participants. I thank our Artel Innovations Directors, Dr. Mani and Mr. Kadiravan Subramanian, for making this event possible and for distributing the certificates to the participants. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I welcome all the students, faculties and other engineers working in various industries to know about the hydrogen energy and fuel cell technology, get benefit from this workshop. So I welcome a new participant or my new friends to attend this workshop. The workshop registration link is given in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. And also I submit my heartfelt and sincere thanks to my Artel team, Artel Innovations, and the trainees, students, participants, and who gave their experience and testimonials. Thank you so much.